If you've been involved in a hit and run accident, the first thing you should do is contact the police. Give them all the details about the other driver, what they looked like, or at least a description of their vehicle and what direction that they drove away from. We've handled many hit and run accidents cases over the years. What that means is you can make a claim with your own insurance company if another driver causes an accident and then leaves the scene and can never be found again. We've had many of these cases over the years. One of the most significant ones I can think of is a tow truck driver that was on the scene towing a vehicle. A large vehicle was driving by and actually struck him and killed him. But the driver of that vehicle left the scene and was never apprehended. We were able to represent the family of the tow truck driver in that case and make a significant recovery on his own policy, of his own commercial policy for his loss and for the family's loss. Obviously, the driver was never found. They never had any form of criminal justice for who caused this, but at least we were able to help them on the civil side and make a significant recovery for their family as they move forward in life.